Yo, we're back in the gym. Hypertrophy dreams, let's begin. Push the limits, break the mold. In this game we go for gold. Early rise, pre-dawn light. Gym's my battleground, ready to fight. Weights lined up, bars in place. Every day it's a brand new race. Bench press, feeling strong. Every rep, can't go wrong. Leg day pain, squat so deep. Push through the struggle, never sleep. Lifts heavy, pull with might. Back on fire, lifting right. Curls for biceps, triceps burn. In this gym, lessons learned. Isolation moves, compound blend. Every session we transcend. Sweat pours down, heart beats fast. Every moment, make it last. Feel the strain, embrace the grind. In this gym, our beats refine. Muscles tearing, building anew. Hypertrophy we pursue.